The Colonial Pipeline restarting operations following that hack, but the company warning it would not be fully functional immediately. The president is set to speak about this later this morning, just before noon East Coast time, Jim. We now have a statement from Colonial saying that by midday, we do project that each market we service will be receiving product from our system. Jim, that's encouraging.
Yes, I mean, remember that it was never really that much gasoline that was cut off, but there was hoarding. And anytime there's hoarding, then you know that we're going to have a very tough situation for the rest of the country. There will be no hoarding now, and you'll see these companies, all of which are very good, by the way, see their stocks marked down because I think people felt, David, once again, that Colonial was going to last longer, like they thought, by the way, that the pandemic would last longer. People just are talking about commodity prices lasting longer and not even realize that lumber peaked already.
You think lumber is done? It's hit its high?
I don't want to say done, but yes, I think it has been. Absolutely.
That's good.
Yeah, it is, because it was a cornered market, I think.
Because people want to build things.
Well, it just got ridiculous. And at the same time, if you're a home builder, you can still absorb
but people
the
were not, they weren't.
You see the home builder stocks
hoarding lumber, though.
No, they weren't. No. And I remember I went to a Lowe's last weekend. There was the lumber. It looked exactly like lumber when it was at $300.
Look at that.
There's
move.
a chart for you.
Look at that move.
Is that Kathy? No, never.
No, she didn't own lumber.
No?
I don't think
Kathy
so.
Wood didn't go in the lumber business?
No, not yet.
Because it's hot.
There's a SPAC that took over the lumber.
No, that's not true.
No, it's not true. Okay. Not true. Sorry. Yeah.
We were Dave and I had dinner last night, Carl, and I know we were surrounded by people who had done SPACs.
Without a doubt.
Without a doubt,
They hated us.
Yes, they hated David because they were like thinking this man is keeping me from making my $500 million, and he's just he should go to wherever.
Yeah, the SPACs are so interesting.
Why?
Because you can get as low as $3, $2 on the actual price, and the SPAC sponsor can still make money.
How come the warrants were mostly
discount.
not disclosed at the beginning?
There's a lot not disclosed. Carl, on the Colonial, just a quick mention here. Tomorrow we're going to get some insight on energy overall. Do you know why? Take a look at that.
On our show?
On our show with you, me, and Carl.
Not on another show?
No, not on another show.
Okay, he's on my good list again.
Yes.
All right.
Darren Woods. Looking forward to that, Carl.
That is good. Corporate Darwinism keeps us sharp here at CNBC. It'll be great to talk to him. Jim, in the meantime, I saw Gas Buddy's the #1 app on Apple. That was interesting. And there's a larger question about the vulnerabilities that this whole episode exposed. The president signing this EO to strengthen the nation's defenses. But what kind of lessons some of these hackers may have learned from this attack?
There was lassitude. There was just lassitude everywhere. So the Robinhood app was dislodged from the top, huh?
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.